What's up, guys? It's November 15th, 2023. I'm gonna do a breakdown of the Emini. Today's gonna be a little bit quicker. I'm kind of pressed for some time. So yeah, this was yesterday. We had the CPI and then the gap. We had the gap up and then a bull run, and we kind of consolidated. Today we also had a gap up and kind of went to a very broad bear channel. But yeah, let's get into this chart. I have the chart already up to just save a little bit of time today. So we had a gap up, and this is a bull bar with continuation. It's good for the bulls, however, the bears got a head and shoulders reversal, and we're trading above yesterday's high. Something that really used to stomp me out was like reversing this. This wouldn't be a bad reversal, however, this is like a second flag failing. However, I still don't think this is a good reversal in terms of shorting right away. Maybe this is better, this is better. But what I was trying to get at is we have a gap up, a continuation, and we pull back into the EMA. So in terms of a breakout, we broke out and then broke down. This is actually a breakout mode from Brook's terminology. It's two reversals at the open. I did not catch that until after. I had a line here. I caught a little bit of this breakout, but two reversals at the open is a pretty good catch. Here's the first bar, and then we see the first reversal, and the market sells off and reverse again. So this is two failed breakouts, and then you can go for a breakout and get a measured move. Yeah, body to body, the measured move worked. If you had a limit order, you would get tagged out. If not, you would have to manually hit out. But it does work. You guys see right here, it got tagged. So yeah, 1-to-1 with the breakout worked, or you could buy low and front run the breakout. You could buy this bar. This is really strong buying. Bears failed to close the gap. So there is a gap open right here. And they go for a leg one, leg two. Leg two flags can be a trap within a range, so we got a leg one, and we got very small leg two, so it really wasn't a trap if he acted fast enough. But it wasn't the leg two that we would normally expect. I did have it pulled like this, and I was expecting higher prices from the continuation, the pullback in yesterday's channel. However, we can't ignore price action, and it started to fail. Here So here the bears start to sell, and they bounce and make a right shoulder and a head and shoulders, and they go for two legs. It's an extended two legs. The second leg took a while to get going. Although this is also a second leg. So this is a second leg. Yes, 1, 2, and it's also a break and retest of yesterday's high. You see what I mean? We broke. This is the breakdown level. Perhaps this is testing. And then they sell again for a leg one, leg two move. Let's get the measurement here. So yeah, it worked. So yeah, it works if you put the pullback to the top of the candle. You guys just seen that we would have not made money if we waited. You know what's funny is I actually got trapped in this waiting for this move, thinking like, oh, we're gonna pull back, and then this happened. I was like, no way. But then this happened, and I was like, oh, okay, cool, we're gonna sell. But yeah, I ended up getting stopped out for like 1 point. I was a little bit annoyed. And then I went back and looked, and I was like, you know what? I wasn't annoyed. I was being greedy. I also did one of these, so that's something I'm trying to deal with these live accounts. This is my third time you guys have been with me now with a set of live accounts, and I got back in the red very late in the day here. It kind of sucks because I'm smoking these evaluation accounts, like smoking it. And then the second I get into live, everything goes to hell. But one thing I've been looking at too, it's just by chance, I guess. I don't know. I legit always I don't know if this happened to you guys, but I'll pass the evaluation account here, and then I get caught with a live account here. I passed the evaluation account here, I got caught shredded here with a live account. And again, I passed the evaluation accounts this third time around this area, and I'm starting to get shredded here and here. So I've got to do something to combat this, because I've told myself I am not blowing up these accounts. I refuse to. So we'll see what happens. To be interesting. I'm gonna change my trading up a little bit in terms of. So I'm trying to think. Like I am a good trend. I'm a good breakout trader. If I had to pick, I would only trade breakouts. However, we can't always trade breakouts because the market's not always breaking out. So I have to come up with I have a good breakout method for trading, but I don't have a good range bound method for trading. And you know what's so scary? I don't know why I keep telling myself this, but I tell myself like tomorrow if I buy the low, it's gonna tank right when I buy the low. So I have to think of a system to trade ranges. However, right now I'm just gonna be going for 5-point scalps because I think I can do that. Even if I was to get a stop order here, I think I could. I'm looking for this is actually an alright stop. This is alright for stop orders. Like maybe this candle's not a good stop order, but let's say I took it as a flag. Oops. Yeah, let's see, one tick above. Oh, so I would make it on the next wave over. I don't know if I would hold through this candle here. I don't know if I would hold through that. But yeah, range bound environments are meant to be scalped anyways. So that's something I need to just accept. Is that I need to scalp in a range bound environment. There's nothing wrong with scalping. I'm learning how to swing trade because that's what it's recommended. However, so yeah, where are we? 6. Leg 1, leg 2. Leg 1, leg 2 worked if you were not greedy like me. And also, now that I'm looking at this is interesting because even if you don't look at a leg 1, leg 2 perspective, look at it from this range. Like if this is a range, well, this is a range. It's not. If this is a range, and we broke out, and it's standard just to get 2R. I mean, excuse me, a measured move. So even the measured move worked. And what's crazy is if you do body to body, 2R worked. So I was just being greedy. And I lost money. I paid the price. I learned my lesson. Maybe I learned my lesson. We'll find out. However, so leg 1, leg 2, bears finally close the gap. However, bulls see this and start buying. I think this is a pretty nice reversal. And then this, if you see this, it's definitely good to be out of shorts, unlike myself. And yeah, they make a leg 1, leg 2. Second leg is a trap in a range. It fails, and the bears get leg 1, leg 2. It's the low of the day. For tomorrow, I'm assuming that we're going to open up in a range. I think it's news. I think there's a lot of news in the first hour of the day. I'll have to check again. Let's go over the daily chart real quick. Daily chart, we went over that. We're getting a break. This really like amazes me because I can't remember what video it was, but there was a video where I was like, we could get a breakout of this. I go deep, but that'll put us right here, and I doubt we just go straight up. And we had this was a news CPI and a little trickle follow through, but this whole thing about getting a measured move blew my mind. So now maybe we test the 50% level, maybe we pull back to last week's high, test the breakout point. We are coming into this zone where they sold last time, so we'll see what happens. It's pretty good. It's not pretty good. We've been ranging. I need some more range to get this challenge account because I'm pretty determined to get this payout. Hope you guys are studying and using your stop loss. Today was a quick one. Tomorrow will be a little bit longer. Have a good day, guys. If you guys trade price action, turn the notifications on. I'll drop these videos every day at 3 o'clock. All right, have a good one, guys. Bye.